Alright, today we're gonna do apple buttering. We need same thing. Last time we did potato buttering. We're gonna need 5 wires, 4 coins, the pennies, and 4 nails, and the LED lights. So let's do it. We're gonna cut an apple in 4 different pieces. Then we're gonna put the wires in, the nails and the coins, stick the nail, and the second one out of the same apple have to be coin. So it's gonna be nail, coin the whole time. Nail, on the other side, coin. Nail. Coin. Nail, coin. Then we're gonna grab LED light and attach it together. Alright, and then we're gonna attach it together. As you can see, it produces an electricity. Not just the apple, but the coins, the pennies, and the nails produce an electricity. Pretty awesome, huh?